Airbnb loves talking about taxes. They say, tax our hosts and we'll bring millions into your city. Truth is, it's just a slick marketing ploy by this multi-billion-dollar corporation. What Airbnb doesn't like to talk about is they're running a sophisticated tax avoidance scheme. Airbnb uses over 40 tax shelters to funnel money from A to B, so your city only sees a pittance of what Airbnb is actually raking in. As Airbnb becomes a very profitable corporation, this elaborate scheme will ensure that cities around the country and the world potentially lose out on hundreds of millions in much-needed tax revenue for essential services. In France, their biggest global market, Airbnb paid less than $80,000 in taxes last year. First, they make affordable housing in our cities disappear. Now, they're hiding profits from cities they say they want to help. Airbnb, stop playing games. Start paying your fair share.